Welcome back to Kerney-cation. My name is Nate. Thank you so much for watching. Today we are actually going to be talking about not Cedar Point. So this is my second video of me filming in my basement. It's new for me. You've usually seen me at a water park or a theme park. I'll put a link to my last video about Cedar Point. Kind of talking about everything that's going on, what's new, what to expect for 2025. But in this video, we are going to be talking about one of our water parks, local water parks, Kalahari. So if you're not familiar, I do have a few videos. I'll put a link to the channel below in the description, and I'll put one up here somewhere. But Kalahari is in Sandusky. It's very close to Cedar Point, so I do a lot of Cedar Point and Kalahari content. Those are both close to me. But when Sandusky Kalahari opened, it was like the biggest indoor water park in the country. So it's been, ousted a few times as, the biggest indoor water park a few times by other Kalaharis. So there's one in like the Poconos, there's one in Wisconsin Dells, there's one in Round Rock, Texas. There's a few of them out there. So it's a chain of water parks. Think Great Wolf Lodge kind of thing. So there's a few out there. But this video, we're going to be talking about some of the new changes going on. So Kalahari actually announced a $10 million renovation to Sandusky Kalahari back in September. And a lot of the things are finished. So we are really looking forward to our next visit. Looking at a time to book so where we can stay overnight to check these out. But I wanted to make this video to kind of tell everybody what's going on at Sandusky Kalahari. So let's get right into it. The first part of the renovation is a new attraction, right? So that's what everybody loves, a new slide. The first part of this new renovation is a new attraction, of course. Then it gets everybody through the door, a brand new slide. So with this being an indoor water park, they also have an outdoor water park. But in the indoor water park, they added a new slide called Dawnbreaker. So I really like the theming and the idea of this slide because like you start, it's up from the pictures, and I haven't ridden it yet, obviously, but you start like up high and it's dark and you go through, you're on a raft. It's a two-person raft. So, one by one. So you start, you go down, you go around, and then you come out and it's bright. So the dawn, you're approaching the dawn, right? So then you go up this big slide and then you go backwards into a pool. So, or like just backwards into the end, right? And that's the end of the slide. So, but yeah, it looks like a very cool slide. I hope the height requirement isn't too tall, at least 42, so my kids can ride it with me. But that is the big news for this renovation. It's gonna be right when if you've been to Sandusky Kalahari before, it's gonna be right when you walk in. So it's like right there, right smack from the locker rooms. So that's the first part of the renovation that I wanted to talk about. But the other part of the renovation, which you'll probably see as soon as you walk in, is the lobby. So they did renovate the entire lobby. If you saw my last video, they already had changed a lot, which I was surprised. Like the main check-in desk was gone and they just had the self-check-in kiosk and then like a small check-in desk. So I'm really curious to see what the new updated and renovated lobby looks like for check-in number one. Other things that changed in the lobby, so they had the Great Karoo buffet restaurant is now gone. That is, I think, the new Cinco Niños. So they put the Mexican restaurant back there, and then they got rid of the Great Karoo gift shop, and now that is the Marrakesh Market. And then they also are upgrading the Last Bite, which is like the ice cream dessert place, and Java Manjaro, and they're moving all this stuff around too. There's also like where the front, it looks like from the map I saw, I'll put it up here, but it looks like the mac and cheese place is gonna be in the lobby, right off the lobby as well. So this is gonna be a fast casual restaurant that's new. It's gonna be like a quick service. Think of it mac and cheese, you just, mac and cheese, and you can get all sorts of things in it. Think of like Chipotle, but mac and cheese, right? So really looking forward to that. Really looking forward to the new restaurant Cinco Niños. So you get like, there's gonna be like a bar, you get tacos, you get margaritas, enchiladas, the whole thing. So really looking forward to checking that out. It sounds like Sorrentino's, the Italian place, is still gonna be there. No changes there. They are moving, also in the lobby, they're moving, or they have moved, it's probably already done. The Build-A-Bear workshop is gonna go downstairs, and that is gonna be like a new check-in. So they have like a concierge at some of the other ones, like the Poconos. I think it's called like Emerald Lounge. So like you go in, you check in, you get like a glass of champagne or something like that. I don't really know. But that is gonna be new, and in addition to Kalahari Sandusky. So you can get, I think like when you book your room, you can upgrade for like the VIP treatment, and that's how you get that. But so those are all the latest updates. So they've got a new lobby, 2 new restaurants. They've changed some things around. They're gonna be with the gift shop. They are upgrading the Last Bite and Java Manjaro. That's like the coffee place, if I didn't say that already. So we're really excited to get out to Kalahari and check out all the things that have changed. And of course, we'll be on the lookout for anything else new that has changed. So we'll be, if you did like this content and you're interested in seeing more about Kalahari, definitely hit that subscribe button. We will be booking our trip soon to check out Kalahari. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation. We'll see you next time.